Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to create this really cool monochromatic cityscape using Google Draw. And I'm going to switch over to this PowerPoint I made here. We're going to learn a little bit about monochromatic, and here's some examples of some other cityscapes. And our objectives are to create a digital cityscape using Google Draw, apply a monochromatic color scheme to your artwork, and create original art using selected elements, in this case, the element of color. So let's look a little bit at the color wheel. Here's our color wheel, and artists use the color wheel to help them organize colors. It shows you the relationships and how colors can be mixed together. For this lesson, we're going to focus on monochromatic, which is when you use one color but use different tints and shades of that color. And there's also tones. Shade is when you add black to a color to make it darker. So here's a value scale that goes from turquoise to a very dark turquoise. Tints is when you add white to a color to make it lighter. So here's another value scale with turquoise, and it gets lighter and lighter. So here's some examples of monochromatic color schemes in art. This pair here that uses green, and these two examples here that use blue. All right, for your artwork, you're going to create a monochromatic city. And here's some other examples. So let me open up my template. And here is my template, and you can see I don't have a background color yet. I'm going to tap and select the background color. So you have all these colors here, and you can see Google Draw actually already organizes them into monochromatic color schemes for the most part. Or you can do custom colors if you want to. I think for this one, I'm going to try out this nice orange color scheme. I don't want mine to look like a night sky, so I'm going to go with a dark background color. It's a very dark orange, it almost looks brown. And next we're going to start with the shapes of our buildings, and we're going to use our shape tool here. And I'm going to be using rectangles. And I might start with this one. I'm going to leave a little gap at the end here for the street. So this is blue right now. And the first thing I want to do is to make the border color transparent. And I'm going to pick another one of those orange colors for the building. And you can drag these little blue squares here when you select it and make it taller, make it bigger. I'm actually going to double click, hit copy. Oh, my bad. Double click or tap, click copy, do it again, and I'm just going to paste another one. For me, that's a little bit quicker than making another rectangle and resizing it and changing the border again, but I am going to change the color. Okay, I'm going to double click, paste. Should be able to fit maybe about 6. Make this one a little bit shorter. Change the color. You could also, if you find yourself running out of colors, you can actually create a custom color. I'll paste in another rectangle. I'm going to click custom, and I can kind of play around here with this little value scale right here. So I'm going to try this one, and I'm going to fit one more. Okay, the next really cool thing, this color is a little bit close to this one, so I'm going to change that one. The next cool thing that we're going to do is change the tops or add a little bit of variety because they look all the same right now. So if you go to your shapes, you have all these really cool different shapes you can use. So I might go with the trapezoid. I'm going to add it to the top of my building here. I'm going to go to the little pin, change the border to transparent, and then I like to find the same color and make it match like that. I might go with, let's see here, maybe this one next. This one's kind of interesting. A rounded top. I'm going to make the border transparent. Like so. I'm going to fill my custom color down here. And there we go. And I'm going to do this a couple more times for my other buildings. Maybe let's go with the triangle one for this one in the middle. And you could even stack shapes on top of each other. So I might just go with a regular rectangle, add that, do the right fill color, and I'm going to copy and paste another one. So all my colors are the same, and like that. And I might actually do another triangle one for this one and change our color here. Ta-da! So that's step one, is to create your buildings. So have fun, good luck, and enjoy.